If you're an author or a creative who feels like social media keeps asking for more and more and more and giving you less and less and less, this video is for you. I'm Melissa Bourbon. I'm a best-selling author, writing teacher, and Pinterest strategist. And on this channel, we talk about sustainable creativity, craft, and marketing that actually supports your work instead of draining it. Pinterest is different from other platforms. It's not about going viral or posting every day. It's a visual search engine where readers and customers are actively looking for books, stories, and creative work. That's why I teach Pinterest as a long-term visibility tool, one that keeps working for you for months and even years after you create the content. In this playlist, I'll walk you through how Pinterest works, what to pin, how to write descriptions that get found, and how to build a system that fits your life as a writer or a creative. You don't need to do everything. You don't need to be everywhere. You just need a strategy that makes sense for the work you're already creating. If you want a calmer, more sustainable way to grow visibility for your books or creative business, you are in the right place. Let's dive in.